The all-in-one design and PoE support simplified your installation to maximum. With its high-sensitivity speaker unit, it can easily covering large areas, ensuring crystal clear sound. Through rain or shine, snow or sleet, the SPON IP horn speakers will always make sure your sound can be heard. No matter the scenario, SPON will always provide you with the best customized solution. Contact us and let's make your project into a new success.